Hello, everyone. Today, we will learn about the phrasal verb get over somebody. Get over somebody means to emotionally recover from someone, usually after a breakup. It is a common phrase used when talking about feelings and relationships. You cannot separate the words get and over. For example, say, get over him, not get him over. You use it when you want to say you feel better after losing someone. Here are some examples. She got over her ex last year. He is trying to get over his heartbreak. It takes time to get over someone you loved. Remember, this phrase is informal and often used in daily conversations. It is different from move on, which means starting a new phase in life. Get over somebody focuses on emotional healing. Common collocations include get over an ex, get over a breakup, and get over heartbreak. Try to use this phrase when talking about emotional recovery. Practice with sentences like, I can't get over her. This will help you sound natural in English. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and you will improve your English. See you next time.